Listen to me. I don't know whom this message is for. If God wants to bless you, even if you don't have a brother, you don't have a sister, you don't have an uncle, you don't have an auntie, God doesn't need all these people before He blesses you. If God wants to bless you, when is your time for God to bless you? He will pick a stranger outside where the stranger you don't even know, you've not even come in contact with. He will connect you with a stranger outside for Him to bless you. So don't say you don't have anybody. Because you don't have anybody, you're not going to make it. It's a lie. You don't wait. It's not. You must not be your brother or your uncle that will make you. If God decides to bless you, oh God, Maya Shada, He will pick somebody from outside to be a destiny helper. So don't feel your own has ended because you don't have anybody in your family. This word is for you. Somebody. It's for you.